Hello skaters, welcome to my channel. Today we are working on bending the knees and ankles, improving the twist position and increasing quickness with different on-ice warm-up exercises. Bending your knees and ankles and twisting with your upper body are two of the most important elements in figure skating. So you need to practice them every day to improve your skating skills. We will start with a simple exercise, a 2-foot glide. Bend and straighten your ankles during your glide across the ice. Make sure you stay centered over your feet, keep your back straight, arms stretched to the sides, and head up. When you start bending your knees, push them against your boot forward until your knees move over your toes. You can go as slow or as fast as you want. Just focus on proper body alignment and maintaining balance over your skates. After you finish going forward, repeat the exercise going backward. For beginner skaters learning their first steps on the ice and for more advanced skaters who want to improve their skating skills and basic technique, sign up for my Figure Skating Foundations video course on my website styleskating.com. There you will find hundreds of detailed step-by-step tutorials, learn how to recognize common mistakes, and practice exercises to correct them. After you complete the course, you will become a well-balanced skater with strong technique, precision, and flow. You will also be able to learn more difficult moves much faster because you will have a solid technical foundation. Click the link above or check the description below for more information and sign up today. Our next exercise will be 2-foot power pulls. Keep your feet as close together as possible and try to work with both feet at the same time. Make quick small half circles with your feet, similar to the motion you would use when skiing. Hold your arms straight out to the sides and keep your upper body still. Only the lower body is working. Each time you start the half circle, bend your ankles. As you switch sides, straighten them slightly and then bend again right away. Maintain a quick rhythm. After completing the exercise forward, repeat it going backward. Remember to keep your upper body straight with your shoulders and hips square. Press with both feet into the ice at the same time. During each half circle, one foot will glide on an outside edge and the other on an inside edge. Our third exercise will be 1-foot power pulls. Here we will work on quick timing and upper body control. Keep your free leg close to your skating leg and draw small half circles with your skating foot, bending and straightening your ankle with good rhythm. Repeat the exercise on both feet and then complete the same drill going backward. Control your posture, keep your upper body steady, and focus on using your knee and ankle to create the movement. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tutorials. For more detailed tutorials, consider joining my YouTube membership, where you can email me directly with your skating questions and even request a personalized video of the element of your choice. Click the link above or check the description below and join today. Exercise number 4 will be 2-foot turns with quick timing. While gliding forward in a straight line, start by turning half revolution to the right from forward to backward. Then immediately turn again from backward to forward to the left. Continue turning and try to keep your upper body still toward the wall, working mainly with your feet and hips. Repeat the same exercise in the opposite direction. Turn to the left from forward to backward and turn to the right from backward to forward. Remember to stay on the front part of your blade when turning from forward to backward and a little closer to the heel when turning from backward to forward. Keep your ankles soft and continue moving smoothly across the ice. Exercise number 5 is designed for skaters who are just starting to learn rockers. We'll practice the rocker motion on 2 feet. Glide forward in a half circle, then turn in the direction of your movement on the axis into backward, continue into a new half circle. and repeat the same motion when going from backward to forward. We will start by turning to the left when going from forward to backward and to the right when going from backward to forward. Continue making quick turns on the axis. After each turn, check your shoulder back and keep a quick rhythm. On the second round, we will go in the opposite direction. Start turning to the right from forward to backward, and to the left from backward to forward. Bend your ankles deeper as you begin each half circle and slightly straighten them during the turns on the axis. Exercise number 6 will be for the beginning of counters. Start by gliding on 2 feet and twist your shoulders into the circle. Then turn in the opposite direction of your movement, turning outside of the circle. After the turn, glide backward to the right, then twist into the circle and turn to the left. It can feel confusing at first, so take your time and go slowly in the beginning. Continue turning each time on the axis and create a new circle after every turn. Work with your ankles the same way we did for the rocker turns, bend deeper on the circle and straighten slightly during the turn on the axis. Repeat the exercise in the opposite direction, turn to the left from forward to backward, and to the right when going from backward to forward. Thank you for skating with me today. These warm-up exercises will help you improve your ankle and knee action, upper body control, and quickness on the ice. Practicing them often will build a strong technical foundation for more advanced turns and steps. Keep practicing, have fun, and I will see you next time.